today we are going to be getting in the Christmas spirit. We've got Christmas orders complete, so I thought why not bring you guys along with me. It's all going to be on the lathe. We've got a few penguins to make and we've got a Christmas tree decoration. I really hope you stick around and watch the video and see what the outcome is. And if you do like it, please hit the thumbs up button, comment on this video, subscribe and check out my other videos on my channel. And if you want weekly updates, check out my Instagram page under the same name, Country Wood Girl. Anyway, without ado, let's get on to this video. Let's have a bit of Christmas spirit going on, get on the lathe and let's go make it. Come on! First and foremost, you need to get your blanks out. Now this one is joined with walnut and maple together to create your blank, and this ends up being, this is actually 31mm by 31mm by 75 long. So that's going to be our first blank we're going to use. Then we are going to use our second blank, which looks like this. It's being glued up end grain to end grain. This is a bit of spalted beech and this is maple, and this is 70mm long by 27 by 27. So that's our second blank. And we also use the same kind of size for the little one too. We just end up with a little bit of waste, but you can use that and I'll show you how. So that's going to be our 3 penguins, so let's get on the lathe and get them turned. got our 3 penguins. They are missing one thing, which is a beak. So I am using you to make the beaks, and these are really delicate, so could fly off the lathe, might not, but I mean they're teeny tiny little beaks. So let's turn one of those, and then all we need to do is drill in the penguins for the little peg of the nose beak. I think they're beaks on penguins, not noses, to go in, and then that part of the order is complete. Penguins done, and I'll show you a few other different styles that I've done recently at the end of the video. But next we have got a Christmas tree decoration to make, so let's get back on the lathe. So the blank we're going to use for the Christmas tree decoration is 36 by 36. Maybe get it out maybe a couple of mil bigger than that, because your biggest part wants to end up 35 mil round. And it is 105 long, but I'm sure a little bit less is fine. It just gives me a little bit extra to stay away from the chuck. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this round, and then we're going to divide it into 10mm sections with our pencil. And then the second from bottom is going to be 35, and then we're going to go to 30, 25, 20, 15, and 10 is our last one. And the tree stump, like the first one towards the chuck, will be 12mm round, but I will show you on the lathe now. And then we put a little brass eyelet in and put ribbon on, and then it looks really cute. So let's get on and do that now. Please stick around, and remember, do hit that thumbs up button, and if you could share this with your friends and family, I'd really appreciate it. So as you can see here, these are in 10mm lengths, so that's also going to be 10mm, and we're going to take this one down to 12, but first we'll shape these just so it's a little bit stronger. So this one's 10mm wide, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then that one will go down to 12. hit me up on Instagram, just send me a message and we can sort it out from there. Otherwise, they might go on my Etsy, which the link is in my bio on YouTube, and I'll put the link at the end of this video on one of the squares that you can click. The other one you'll be able to click will be a video that I think you might like, and the other one is a subscribe one to me, so if you click on that you can also subscribe to me. But I will just pan over these few things and take some stills, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and New Year, and all the best for next year. And I hope you stick around with me for next year too, and that's the end of this video. Merry Christmas!